When I go to sleep at night, you're all that's on my mind. I wish that you were mine. And now that I see you, want you to be my one and only. Treat you like... Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. Again, I'm Kuya Clint, where I teach you guys how to play guitar songs easily and in detail. So for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play the song Movie Scene by GRENTPEREZ. Given that the song heavily depends upon its drum beat, as well as a little bit of bass, there's not really like a solid guitar sound or guitar instrument that's being played in this track. So I tried to keep it as accurate as possible, as well as teaching this as simple as possible to you guys, so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And with that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. So first up is going to be the B major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be dead string, 2, 4, 3, 4, dead string. G sharp minor 7 chord, 4, dead string, 4, 4, 4, dead string. That's going to be the D sharp minor 7 chord. That's going to be dead string, 6, 8, 6, 7, 6. While using our index finger to bar that 6th fret from the A string down to the high E string. Next up is going to be the A sharp minor 7 chord. It's going to be 6, dead string, 6, 6, 6, dead string. That's going to be the F sharp major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That is going to be 2, dead string, 3, 3, 2, dead string. And lastly, it's going to be the C sharp 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be dead string, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4. While using our index finger to bar that 4th fret from the A string down to the high E string. And you can also use your middle finger as well to provide support for that finger. Okay, so when it comes to the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. So allow me to demonstrate. It's going to be like this. So allow me to break that down for you guys. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be plucking the bass string, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time. So for example, if it's going to be the A sharp minor 7 chord, our bass note is going to be on the lower E string. And for chords such as the B major 7 chord, our root note is going to be on the A string. Yep. So along with that bass string, it's going to be the D, G, and the B strings all together. Waiting it out for 1 count, slapping it. Once again, bass, D, G, B strings. Waiting it out for 1 count, D, G, B strings, then slapping it. Yep, bass, waiting it out, slap, bass, D, G, B, waiting it out, D, G, B, then slapping it. Yep, so with a chord such as the A sharp minor 7 chord again, it's going to be like this. And for chords such as the B major 7 chord, it's going to be like this. And with that said, the guitar plucking pattern will be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so for the intro section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the B major 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. G sharp minor 7, E sharp minor 7, which is going to be this one right here. Then the A sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Okay, so when it comes to the verse sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, once again, B major 7 chord for 4 counts, G sharp minor 7, D sharp minor 7, it's going to be the A sharp minor 7, just repeating that one more time, G sharp minor 7, then this one, then A sharp minor 7. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Picture is clear, both in focus, I play it cool. You still notice that I started to fall off the script, lose my grip, you catch me staring at your way. Okay, so when it comes to the pre-chorus sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Similar to the verse section of this song, but instead of finishing it off at the A sharp minor 7 chord at the end for 4 counts, it's going to be the C sharp 7 chord for 4 counts. So once again, B major 7 chord for 4 counts, G sharp minor 7, D sharp minor 7, then C sharp 7, one more, G sharp minor 7, D sharp minor 7, then C sharp 7. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. And I don't mean to make it weird, but baby, have we met before? You tell me no, but in your eyes I hear you saying so much more. We could be like classic steady dancing, push our love in the Atlantic. Wanna be hopelessly romantic with you. And lastly, for the chorus sections for this song, the chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. Yep, so for this one, it's going to be the B major 7 once again for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. G sharp minor 7, E sharp minor 7, then the F sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts now this time. And 3 more of those. This one, D sharp minor 7, F sharp major 7, 2 more, last one, and that's going to be your song from start to finish. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. When I go to sleep at night, you're all that's on my mind. I wish that you were mine. And now that I see you, want you to be my one and only. Treat you like you're holy. Can no one do it for me now? Now that I see you, like a straight out of a dream. Straight out of a movie scene, like a straight out of a dream, straight out of a movie scene. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'm sure to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other GRENTPEREZ guitar tutorials or any other guitar tutorial videos for that matter, just click these ones right here. It's all good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.